True parallelism in Python. Is it possible to have true parallelism in Python due to the presence of GIL? As far as I know, each thread acquires the GIL before executing, while other threads wait until the GIL is released. Why have GIL if it is such a bottleneck?
Python, the language, does not necessarily enforce GIL. It's the different implementations of the language which may or may not have GIL. Python, the de facto implementation, has GIL, so you cannot have truly parallel threads while you're using it. However, you can use multiprocessing to gain parallelism. PyPy, another implementation of the language, also has GIL now. There are other implementations of the Python language, Jython and IronPython for example, which do not have GIL, and you can use threads to run parallel operations. Python has a GIL, but you can release it using a with statement. Links of the projects mentioned. This URL, this URL, this URL, this URL. More resources on this topic. A question on programming Stack Exchange. This URL, thanks to Rogalski. Python Wiki. This URL. David Beasley's talk. This URL. Article from Jeff Knapp. This URL.
If you want to learn about the GIL in Python, I'd suggest to start reading here. This URL. See the section eliminating the GIL for an explanation why Python still has the GIL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.